Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome to the disaster desk. So this is today's task. Have a million other things to do, but this is the one area that I just feel like I need to clean off. So I thought, let's get it started, record it, and then we can upload a decluttering/cleaning video for you because it has been forever. So just the first little bit of this is a little bit slowed down so I can talk you through some of the absolute crazy that is on my desk, which includes some dirty cups and some cutlery and some random bits of rubbish that probably should be in the bathroom, some skincare. There are a pair of Zumba pants that someone gave to me that don't quite fit, so I will declutter them in a donation to see if someone else is interested in them. Add that to the pile. We have some random rubbish. I'm forever writing on envelopes, so I have no idea even what I wrote, but it's probably old if I don't know what's there because it's been under everything else. We have some expired gift cards and some other random bits of rubbish, so we'll get rid of all of those. We have, a Care Bear DVD that has no DVD in it. We purchased it from the op shop and failed to open it when we purchased it, so we'll keep it for the picture and for the case. We've got a couple of notepads here and a notebook. They always come in handy, and a couple more books because you know I seem to collect books, but we do have one by Philippa Gregory. It's my favorite author, so that's really good. And we have a bed quilt cover which is from Temu originally, and I probably should action that and get something done with it. We have some birthday cards that I need to deal with and some more DVDs and some other of the sim games, so we need to put those in a spot. A light globe thing that needs to go to Officeworks for recycling. More books. What's new? A packet of strawberry seeds. Yep. Some more rubbish, some stickers from a labeling project, and some other birthday cards and lots of postcards we've got in there as well, and more rubbish. And also the couple of brown boxes that I just took away were from some Temu projects that I was meant to do and I didn't get around to it, so we'll add that to the to-do list. Now the rest of the desk is just some receipts and papers and things that need to get sorted, so I am just going to randomly shove everything into folders to sort out later, but at least we will have a bit of a system. So I will leave you now for the next 5 minutes with some music. You can clean along with me and I will be back at the end to say goodbye. Okay, just checking in. It's only been about 3 minutes since I last chatted to you, so don't panic if you thought that was a whole 5 minutes. But this whole process took me just over an hour to clean everything, and it would have taken me a lot longer if I sorted more of the papers as I was going, because I've got receipts, because I've been tracking and budgeting our food spending and other areas. And what I do is I just collect all the receipts and then write information down on paper. When I have video ideas, I also just write it all down on paper, and I just end up stacking it all in a pile, and then I sit down about once a month and I go through it. I find it's the easiest way for me to go through and get all the thoughts out of my head. It's called brain dumping, and just have it all in one place. So then when I think, oh, here's a video idea, I can look back through and see, oh, I already had that idea. Okay, let's expand on it and look at it. I've got the second shelf that's there that I'm cleaning off at the moment, and again, that's just a whole lot of papers and bits and pieces dumped. I found the manual for the oven so I had a quick flip through that and went, oh, okay, right, so now I know how that the door comes off, and also that part of the top grill piece, how that moves to be able to access for easy cleaning. So guess who will be cleaning their oven a little bit easier coming up very soon, so that is exciting. The folders I actually got given from Buy Nothing Group, so I'm super happy, and although it might be a bit of a weird system for some, it totally works for me, and I'm really happy with it right now until I just have less paperwork, and then we can move on. I also, for some reason, had a whole pile of old catalogs. Clearly I thought I was going to start price tracking some things, but I've gone in different directions, so it's time to just clear it all out. So thank you so much for joining with me today. I hope that you have enjoyed the decluttering, and I'm very happy with the results that I have. I so appreciate you, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.